Recently, Hyundai issued a new recall for the 2025 Palisade model with a scary title, Fire Risk Recall. The reason for this recall is a defective electric pump in the transmission fluid system that can leak fluid onto various components under the hood of the car. Potentially can affect the pump's controller and lead to electrical shorting, which can potentially lead to fire risk. The cause of the recall is described in the NHTSA document 25V291, but the important thing to note is that only 620 vehicles were affected. The defective pump was only produced in February 25 and there have been no reports on fire. So there is little to no reasons to worry about that. According to the recall, remedy is simple. Hyundai dealership will replace the electric pump with the properly sealed one. Also, the vehicle will be inspected in terms of wiring damage due to possible leaks, and this will also be addressed by dealership mechanics if needed. This is a proper recall, so you can check your VIN on Hyundai's website and see if your Palisade has the defective pump that needs replacement.